Hello, and welcome to this introduction to using the Vassar College Digital Library to search the digital collections. The digital library includes 4 repositories: the digital collections covered in this video, finding aids, Vassar Scholarship, and the herbarium. In addition to this video, the Using This Site page on the digital library website provides tips to make your search experience successful. Nearly every page in the digital library has a keyword search box at the top. You can keyword search all 4 repositories at once, or one at a time, using the pull-down menu to the right of the keyword search window. A keyword search, including multiple words, will default to the AND parameter. Therefore, the system will search for both words, but not necessarily together, in the same item. If you surround your search term with quotation marks, the system will search the entry as a phrase. Many items in the digital collections have associated transcripts, the content of which is also included in your search. Let's keyword search Einstein with all collections chosen. You will see results from the digital collection, finding aids, and Vassar Scholarship. However, you cannot refine these results further. This is because you have performed a keyword search that searches all of the available data regardless of its organization at the repository level. Refined results requires uniformity across the data. This is achieved with thoughtfully grouped data points called facets, such as collection, creator, and subject. The 4 repositories in the digital library are each special in their own way and have unique data arrangements or facets that do not always align. This makes creating facets that all 4 repositories can provide data for difficult. The benefit of using all collections for an initial search is to see the breadth of resources available for your subject and gain a sense of where you need to dig deeper at the repository level. If we change the repository to digital collections in our keyword search, keeping Einstein as our keyword, you will see a different result. Now we have the digital collection facets available under Refine Results. You can narrow your search by creator or subject. Notice the numbers next to each option. These are the number of records with the word Einstein in them. You can also narrow your search by collection by checking these boxes. We also have an advanced search. The advanced search link is below the main search box. This option supports Boolean operators, such as and, or, and not, as well as phrases in quotation marks. You may also refine your parameters to only search by abstract, catalog number, title, and subject. This can be further refined by choosing a specific repository or searching informational pages included on the digital website. However, there is no option to refine your search results. You will find more satisfying results searching the specific repository using the general keyword search and then using the refine results options. You can see an overview of the digital collections by navigating to Collections, Digital Collections, and Browse Collections. Here, you will see what we call cards that include a collection title, abstract, and image. By clicking Browse this collection, you can see the items in that collection and refine your search using the filters or facets on the left side of the screen. You can also navigate to the digital collections from the home screen. Clicking on Browse Collections. Once there, you will see every item in this repository. To find what you are looking for, use the options for refining what is on the page by collection, subject, or creator. You may check multiple boxes across all three of these facet areas. Let's see what an individual item record looks like. Please note that depending on the number of images and the speed of your internet connection, item level records may take some time to load. If you ever see a red bar with a message, you can disregard and refresh the page. Refreshing the page will usually result in the item being loaded as it should. If you continue to have problems, please send a message with the page link to library_systems@vassar.edu. Each individual record will have custom tools to view or play the resource, whether image, audio, or video. The image viewer allows us to zoom in or out and drag the images using our mouse. If an item contains multiple pages, you can browse by clicking on each thumbnail below the viewer. In the case of some manuscript material, the first thumbnail is associated with a full transcript. You may view this transcript in one of two ways. First, you can click on the burger icon in the viewer window, and it will slide out. Second, you can click on one of the links in the record details to view or download either a PDF or text file version of the transcript. You can use Control or CMD-F to search the transcripts, and the results will be highlighted. Below the viewer, under Detail, you will find the data associated with the item. This metadata will provide what you need for a citation and a link to learn more about access rights for the item. Additionally, if you click on the hyperlinked options below Subject, Creator, or Contributor, for example, you will be taken to a page with every item that has that term associated with it. You cannot, however, refine your results further on that resulting page. If you go to Additional Resources in the main menu, you will find links to online exhibitions and other collections of interest. These pages include links to a wealth of additional digital collection resources that live on platforms outside of this digital library. These resources include the newspaper and magazine archive. You will need to leave the site to view or search any of these resources on their respective websites. Thank you for joining me today to learn more about how to search in the digital collections.